For the side bolster install, it's very easy. From the seat, you can see that there's two tubes coming out. So we just need to secure it to this side. So just push it in. Just push it all the way in, it will lock. It will be locked like this. So the ECU will put it under the seat, but for the motor, we will put it inside the seat cover. So we will just put it like this. Yeah, and then we can use this hole to do the zip tie. The motor will come with a zip tie, so you can just zip tie it here, and then you can just zip tie it like this. So on both sides, you can set the motor like this, and then zip tie it. Yeah. And then for the ECU, like I said, we will place it like this, and then we'll zip tie it under. From the CAN bus connector from behind to the ECU here, there's a connector like this. So you just need to disconnect it and then connect our bypass connector. So then it will work. And this one we connect back to here, and this will be done. So this is how you do it on the left-hand drive car, because the ECU is always put on the left side. But if you are a right-hand drive car, because you are installing in a driver's seat, we will provide extension cable so you can run it to here and then do the bypass connection. So now we'll try to test the feature. So if we set the wheel to the right, you can see here will get pumped up. So it's good. So now we go to the left side. Yeah, as you can see, the right side will get pumped up. So it's good. Then we can revert everything, put back the cover, and then finish the install.